and that's my old one. All right, so you can see how that's molded to my bike. You can see how those inserts do mold to your bike. Simple, tough, lightweight, modular. This stuff also goes on pannier racks, and it's light. This like 80 litre system. Look at that. Oh, that's a 40 litre system. I haven't got the roll bag with me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how quick it is to put a pannier onto the Rackless Base. So this is my new Rackless Base. You can see, let's just see there. You can see there it's nice and fresh and new. Won't be like that for too long because I'm going riding for 5 days. And that's my old one. All right. So you can see how that's molded to my bike. You can see how those inserts do mold to your bike. So that is definitely not going in the bin. Like I said, I'm going to hold on to that. It's got the hole there for the bikes with the tanks up the back. The Covey, the 701, the 690, the AJP I think also has it. Now when your Rackless kit comes out, guys, the attachments are all kept separate. So if you want to do the clip-off bag system, you watch my videos when you buy it and you can do your install. Bags are done 20,000 kilometers and they are still perfect. Let's put the timer on. I'll find my stopwatch and we'll start, okay? I'm doing the clipless system. So what you do, you get your strap, you put it underneath the guide on the Rackless Base. You come back up through the pannier guide, up through the molly, up through the next one, the guide, come back down through your molly, and then back into your pannier, sorry, your Rackless Base attachment point. So that's one, done, right? You can put strap savers on these so it doesn't flop all over the place. Anyway, so there you go, I'm up through the guide again, you can see that. There we go. Hang on, hit stop. 4 minutes and 6 seconds. So 4 minutes and 6 seconds to do one pannier. Now, if I wasn't gibbering on, I'd probably do it a lot faster than that. But there you go. So 8 minutes setup. Once you've got it set up once, you never have to touch it again. Load it up before you tighten it all up. Use strap savers if you want. The strap savers that come on these straps. Right now we are in America, obviously in Australia we have our warehouses and it's hard to keep up. Simple, tough, lightweight, modular. This stuff also goes on pannier racks and it's light. This like 80 litre system, look at that. Oh, that's a 40 litre system. I haven't got the roll bag with me. Okay, so that's a 40 litre system. That is so light, it's so lightweight. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and welcome to my workspace. Well, one of them. I have a few, but you know, obviously the garage and then the other workspace for me is on my bike. So that's it and welcome. I'm Kurt, I'm founder of Nomad Moto. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video and appreciate that, you know, you either already own our gear or you're about to buy it, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Beauty.